Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Here we have the latest rumors about the OM digital OM-5 camera specifications. According to the latest Olympus rumors, the new OM digital OM-5 camera is to be announced in late September. And this information comes from the several sources on the Chinese social media platform Vivo and previous reports. The upcoming OM system OM-5 mirrorless camera is rumored to have a 20 megapixel or the new 41 megapixel BSI live MOS sensor, and it is capable of shooting at 15 frames per second. This is really great. The US price for the OM system OM1 camera is USD 2,199.99 US dollars. You can check the availability at Amazon B&H Photo and Adorama. Let's have a look at some rumored specification of the OM-5 camera. You will probably get around 20 megapixel or 41 megapixel sensors, nearly about 15 frames per second of fast shooting. Fortunately, just a single memory card, 3.6 megapixel electronic viewfinder. The OM-5 will use the same OM1 BLX1 battery as the OM1. Announcement is expected in late September 2022 and the shipment is expected to start in late October 2022. That's it for this video. I hope this information helps you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching this video.